Hey everyone, welcome back to this new Vue episode. This is a continuation for our tutorial for the Python object-oriented programming, and today we are going to focus on the class variables or attribute. In the previous episode, we went through creating a class and then initiate or declare object from this class, and finally adding attribute to those objects. So today we will see how by adding attribute or class attribute, this will affect our impact our object. So first of all, this is how we can declare the class attribute. So we just add variable names. So let's say a book is a paper-based, and we will put as a true. That will be a Boolean answer. And then we can add also the language of the book. And let's add here, maybe we start with the Japanese, why not? Okay. So by doing so, let's see how my object is directly impacted. So if I go here and put print my book one, so also see immediately when I add a dot here, you can see that I do have on the top here, VS is showing me, the VS Code is showing me already that there is two attributes that have been added, and also the type of this attribute. The first one, language, is a string, while the second one, paper-based, is a bool. So it's really helpful. The program or the editor is already helping us. So let's put language here. And also, let's print it for the book 2, just to see what's going on, because it's happening also the same thing for the book 2. So let's put here the language, and let's print and see what's going on. So print, sorry, here it's not print, but Python, and we are going to check for, so we do have both of them are in Japanese. However, introduction to the Vue is still not in Japanese. So let's go and change it. So if I go here and put book 1 and putting here the language, and that will be equal to, let's say, in English initially. Okay, so if I do save and print again both of them and run again in the command line, so we can see it has been Japanese and Japanese, and after that I have changed the book 1 language. Now it's in English and Japanese. So what we understand from this, by adding those class variable, this class variable will be a variable connected to the object independently, and each object will have the ability to change it. So we can also go again and go the book 2. If we go to the book 2, and this one is not paper-based, and we could put false. Okay, so if we print, so let's here just comment everything just to not be overwhelmed with the console, and go here back, and we put book 1 so we can print both of them here first. So let's go back, print this one, but not, instead of having the language, we can check the paper-based here, and this one paper-based. Nope, not this. Something paper-based like this, and copy-paste again. And let's see what kind of result we will have. So let's save, clean a little bit the console, and run again the program. So what we do have here in the first two prints, we do have true and true, and this is the value that we initially added within our class variable, and this has been initiated immediately when we initiated the object itself. But after that, we have changed one of the variable at one of the second object that we created, and you can see here that this variable has changed within the second object. So like this, having class variables is a kind of initiation of certain variable for each project, for each object we declare and create. That was a short video to explain how the class variable works. So now we are going to jump and to understand a method connected to a class.